Today's conversation is about two friends meeting after a long time during a morning walk. Let's begin.
Good morning, Nia. How are you?
Good morning, Rahul. I am fine. Wow, after such a long time. How are you doing?
I am doing well, thank you. It's really been a long time since we last met.
Yes, almost a year. I think life become very busy.
That's true. These days, everyone is busy with work and responsibilities.
So tell me, what are you doing nowadays?
I'm working as a computer science lecturer in a college in Delhi. I teach programming and networking.
That's great. Teaching computer science, it's very interesting these days.
Yes, especially because technology is changing so fast. Students are very curious about AI and cybersecurity. And what about you, Nia? Are you still teaching in the same school?
Yes, I am still working as a school teacher. I teach English to middle school students.
That's wonderful. Teaching English is very important nowadays.
Absolutely. Many students want to improve their spoken English because it helps in job and confidence.
You are right, even college students struggle with communication skills.
Yes, I also tell my students to practice speaking English daily.
That's a very good habit. Practice is the key to learning any language.
By the way, do you come here for a morning walk regularly?
Yes, I try to come every morning. It helps me stay healthy and fresh for the day.
Same here. Morning walk give a lot of positive energy.
Exactly. Fresh air and a little exercise make a big difference.
By the way, how is your family?
Everyone is doing well. Thank you for asking. My parents are fine.
That's good to hear.
And how about your family?
They are also doing well. Everyone is busy with their work and studies.
It was really nice meeting you after such a long time.
Yes, it was a pleasant surprise.
Let's try to meet here more often.
Sure, that would be nice.
Alright, I should continue my walk now.
Yes, me too. Have a great day.
You too, take care.
Bye, Rahul.
Bye, Nia.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.